Start by opening your laptop and locating OBS Studio and Discord. Open OBS Studio first to set up your stream or recording. Wait for the OBS interface to fully load. Now open the Discord app on your laptop. Make sure you are logged into your account. We will now connect OBS to Discord step by step. Click on the settings icon in Discord. This will open your Discord settings menu. Go to the voice and video section. Here you can manage your audio and camera settings. Scroll down to find the input device option. Now switch back to OBS Studio settings. Open the settings menu inside OBS. Go to the audio tab in OBS settings. Here you can configure your audio devices. Select a virtual audio cable or proper output device. Apply the changes in OBS settings. Now return to Discord settings again. Select the same virtual cable as input device. You should now see audio activity in Discord. Test your microphone to confirm it is working. Now add an audio or media source in OBS. Make sure the sound is playing inside OBS. Next, enable the virtual camera in OBS. This allows OBS video to be used as a webcam. Go back to Discord video settings. Select OBS virtual camera as your camera. You will now see your OBS scene in preview. Join a voice or video call to test everything. Your OBS video and audio should now work in Discord.